अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम MCQs चैप्टर 2 एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर के लेके आए हैं आप लोगों के लिए। दे विल हेल्प यू इंशाल्लाह इन योर प्रिपरेशन फॉर MDCAT। चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। MCQs नंबर 1, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द मास ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन इज़ ग्रेटर देन द मास ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन? ऑप्शन 1 1830 टाइम्स, ऑप्शन 2 1836 टाइम, ऑप्शन 3 1840 टाइम्स, ऑप्शन 4 1846 टाइम्स। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज़ 1840 टाइम्स। MCQs number 2, the ion that is isoelectronic with chloride atom is Cn negative, N2 positive, O2 positive, O2 negative. The correct answer is O2 negative. The ionic species having more electrons than neutrons is number 1 Mg2 positive, number 2 O2 minus, number 3 Na positive, number 4 fluoride minus. Correct answer is O2 negative. MCQs number 4, the atomic number of an element is 26. How many electrons are present in M shell of this element in ground state? Option number 1 is 11, number 2 is 14, number 3 is 15, number 4 is 16. Correct option is 14. MCQs number 5, the total types of fundamental nuclear subatomic particles in an atom. Number 1 1, number 2 2, number 3 3, number 4 4. Correct option is 2. Number 6, isotopes are number 1 chemically similar, number 2 physically similar, number 3 chemically dissimilar, number 4 all of the above. The correct option is chemically similar. Number 7, quantum number which is not derived from Schrödinger wave equation. Option number 1 is principal, number 2 is magnetic, number 3 is azimuthal, number 4 is spin quantum number. Correct option is spin quantum number. MCQs number 8, a nodal plane is the plane where the electron density is number 1 maximum, number 2 minimum, number 3 infinity, number 4 0. Correct option is 0. MCQs number 9, the number of degenerate orbitals in a 1 is equal to 2 subshell are number 1 3, number 2 5, number 3 7, number 4 none. Correct option is 5. MCQs number 10, maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a p subshell. Number 1 2, number 2 6, number 3 10, number 4 14. Correct option is 6. MCQs number 11, which subshell has highest energy? Number 1 5f, number 2 5d, number 3 4f, number 4 4s. Correct option is 5f. MCQs number 12, magnetic quantum number values for the d subshell are number 1 2, number 2 3, number 3 5, number 4 7. Correct option is 5. MCQs number 13, shapes of p orbitals. Number 1 circular, number 2 dumbbell, number 3 sausage, number 4 complicated. Correct option is dumbbell shape. Number 14, the orbital which is spherically symmetrical is number 1 s orbital, number 2 p orbital, number 3 d orbital, number 4 f orbital. Correct option is s orbital. MCQs number 15, the d orbital which is bilobe with collar is represented as number 1 dxy, number 2 dx2, number 3 dyzx, number 4 dzx. Correct option is dx2. Which of the following ion has a similar electronic configuration like Ar? Number 1 Sc plus 2, number 4 Cr plus 2, number 3 Ti plus 4, number 4 Mn plus 6. Correct option is Ti plus 4. MCQs number 17, the total number of lobes in all the orbitals of d subshell are number 1 2, number 2 4, number 3 16, number 4 18. Correct option is 18. MCQs number 18, two electrons in the same orbital should have opposite spins according to number 1 F-bus principle, number 2 Horn's rule, number 3 Pauli's exclusion principle, number 4 n+1 rule. Correct option is Pauli's exclusion principle. Ionization energy depends upon number 1 atomic radii, number 2 shielding effect, number 3 nature of orbital, number 4 all of these. Correct option is all of these. Number 20, which of the following has highest ionization energy value? Number 1 lithium, number 2 beryllium, number 3 hydrogen, number 4 helium. Correct option is helium. MCQ number 21, greater shielding effect corresponds to ionization energy value. Number 1 greater, number 2 lesser, number 3 0, number 4 variable. Correct option is lesser. MCQ number 22, which of the following has maximum first ionization energy? Number 1 B, number 2 C, number 3 N, number 4 Na. Correct option is N, nitrogen. MCQ number 23. In given period of periodic table, the family with lowest first ionization energy is number 1 noble gases, number 2 alkaline earth metals, number 3 alkali metals, number 4 halogens. Correct option is alkali metals. MCQ number 24. Exceptionally high ionization energies of some groups is due to the factor number 1 atomic radius, number 2 shielding effect, number 3 nature of orbital, number 4 none of the above. Correct option is nature of orbital. MCQ number 25. The groups that show abnormal trends in ionization energy are number 1 2a and 6a, number 2 2a and 5a, number 3 3a and 6a, number 4 3a and 5a. Correct 3a and 6a. MCQ number 26. The group that has maximum first ionization energy values is number 1 NS1, number 2 NS2 NP5, number 3 NS2, number 4 NS2 NP6. Correct option is NS2 NP6. MCQ number 27. Which one of the following group has maximum first electron affinity values in the same period? Number 1 5a, number 2 7a, number 3 6a, number 4 8a. Correct option is 7a. MCQ number 28. Which element has lowest electron affinity? Number 1 N, number 2 O, number 3 Cl, number 4 helium. Correct option is helium. MCQ number 29. The energy released by an atom to form an anion is called number 1 ionization energy, number 2 electronegativity, number 3 electron affinity, number 4 electropositivity. The correct option is electron affinity. MCQ number 30. Electron affinity value decreases down the group, along the period, up the group, all of the above. Correct option is down the group. Hope these slides will help you in revising your chapter 2 for your NMDCAT preparation. Thank you. For any further information, do contact us at batulsmedical@gmail.com.